Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Bitcoin wallet as well as an Ethereum wallet for use with sending and receiving cryptocurrency. For Bitcoin I'm going to use the website blockchain.com, which is the most popular free wallet. To create your wallet, simply click on the button and it will ask you to type in your email and the password. That's the only information that you will be using. Once you create your wallet, it will take you to the dashboard of their website where you can see your balance as well as have the options to send and receive cryptocurrency. Now, to receive Bitcoin, you simply need to click on the request button here and it will give you an address which you can use to give to others and they will be able to send you Bitcoin. So this is the address that you need for receiving any kind of Bitcoin transactions. Make sure to take note of this address since you will be using it later. To send Bitcoin, simply click on the send button and type in someone's address as well as the amount that you wish to send, and that's basically it. Just click the continue button and it will create a transaction. So as you can see, it is very simple and easy to use. As for Ethereum, the website that we're going to use is myetherwallet.com. To create your wallet, all you need to do is type in a password here and click on the Create New Wallet button. Once you do that, it will create a key store file to you, which represents the encrypted version of your wallet. You must download and store this key store file because you will be using it later to access your wallet. Once you've done that, click on the red Continue button. It will give you your private key. This is the key used to access your wallet, except it is not encrypted, so you should never be giving this to anyone. You should store it, as it can be used to access your wallet and at any time in case you lose your key store file. The next thing that you need to do is save your address. Click on this button below and it will ask you to log in to your newly made wallet. Now, one way that you can log in is by using your key store file that was just downloaded. So select it and type in the password that you used. After you have unlocked your wallet, at the right side here, you will see your account address. This is the address that you will use to receive Ethereum. This is what you will give to others when you need to receive Ethereum. It's basically the same as this Bitcoin address. Now you must make sure when giving others your address to give this piece of information and not your private key. You can see the difference between them because the first one is much longer. The private key is longer than the address, as well as the address starting with 0x characters. Every Ethereum address will start with those characters. Now you have created your wallet and that's basically it. You're ready to receive Ethereum. In the next tutorial, I will tell you how you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum using a credit card. Thank you for watching.